Welcome to an overview of Genetec's new customer portal. In this video, we're going to review the process of creating projects, quotes, and submitting your orders. Let's get started. Once you've logged in, you'll see a Your Business section, which will allow you to jump quickly to projects, quotes, orders, and to download your price list. As we click on projects, you'll be able to view existing projects or create new ones. To filter the existing projects, you can simply click on the column headers, or you can click on the filter option to display other parameters. To create a new project, simply come and click on the Create button, and you'll be prompted to enter project-specific information. You can select from a list of existing end users by clicking on the icon, or if you need to create a new end user, simply click on the form and submit it to Genetec for creation. You can then specify the estimated order date and the estimated deployment date. Once your project has been saved, a new window will appear on the right-hand side of the page. You can now add files specific to this project, whether a design files or RFP, or you can start by creating a quote. Once in the quote view, you'll see a quote ID has been assigned to your project, along with a name for your quote, which by default will be the same name as your project. You can edit the quote name as you see fit, and you can take this opportunity to specify an end user contact. You can also add specific comments regarding this quote for reference. You can then click on Save Changes. On the right side of the page, you'll now see a quote summary window. You can begin adding parts to your quote by simply clicking on the Modify Items button. This will launch Genetec's new online store, which gives you access to a variety of Genetec products. As we click on Security Center, we have the option of choosing an Enterprise, Professional, or Standard level package. Once you're in the online store, you have the ability to view parts and any associated parameters. On top, you have headers, which allow you to select any other features or licenses. And for each feature you select, you will have a breakdown of the quantity, the MSRP, and any additional discounts that may have been applied. Simply come, select your parts, adjust your quantities, and then you can also add an Advantage contract in 1, 3, or 5-year terms. Once completed, you can press Save or Save and Close to go back to the main quote view. In the main quote view, you will see a quote summary along with the parts that you have selected. At this point, if you would like to download the quote, simply click on the Lock Quote option to activate the quote for the next 30 days. You will then have the ability to press Print and save a PDF version of the quote. If you are ready to order, simply click on Create Order to move on to the next screen. You'll be asked to accept Genetec's terms and conditions before being moved on to the order page. Once on the order page, you can complete the missing information and submit your order to Genetec. Thanks for joining us for this customer portal video. Remember, if you have any questions, you can engage us directly through the chat located in the bottom right corner of the page.